If you want to make sure that your child passes 11 plus exam, there are few things which you must do right from the beginning. When you are preparing your child for the 11 plus exam, the number one thing which is very important, you need to know the full curriculum, right? And then divide all the list of all those topics according to the time, how much time is left. If your child is in year 4, it means he has got 2 years of time left. If in year 5, there may be less than 1 year of time left. So that's how you can divide. Curriculum is very important. You must know the full curriculum. Second thing, they are very big publishers, for 11 plus exam books. You can buy their books such as CGP, Bond, Lex. There are so many others as well. Even I myself, I write 11 plus books as well. My books are available on Amazon. You can buy my books as well. Also, if you type my name on Amazon, you go on Amazon, you type my name, you'll find that those books there. And also, one of the very important thing which I will encourage you is that positive talk with your child. Always encourage them. The best thing which you can do in your child is develop the confidence that they can achieve whatever the topic is, whatever that they can achieve. Second thing is, do lots of practice papers. Practice papers are very important, and if you think that your child is not comfortable with doing the practice papers, you can just go for online subscriptions as well. And remember, there are so many free websites as well. I have made videos about free websites. I've made videos about free apps as well. You can download those apps, and those apps can help your child in passing your exam. Another very important thing, you look for a specialist tutor. This is very important because 11 plus exam is a highly competitive exam. There are so many children applying for very limited seats. So you must find some specialized help to make sure your child passes their 11 plus exam. I myself, I teach 11 plus students. I teach GCSE students as well. So if your child is preparing for 11 plus exam, or is preparing for a GCSE level exam, you can contact me as well. But please remember, this is very important because this time is not gonna come back in your life, in your child's life. So please make sure, prepare it very well, use all the free resources, use all the maximum number of paid resources, get the tutor's help, and I'm pretty much sure your child is gonna pass the 11 plus exam. And I will see you